The much anticipated Meet the Retainees interface, where President Emmerson Mnangagwa was expected to address thousands of former opposition members who have defected to ZANU-PF, has been postponed. Sabina mashoko obuda panguva ino achinzi EDC 5000 Meet the Retainees flops. Chitiko chonekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino ashandisa the strategy yakunyatso kuparadza opposition achiita gathering yekuokama vanhu vakabva kuopposition vachiuya the ruling party inoruva subscribe like on the bell yakoti mnanhomuraivamchinzi. The event, initially scheduled for Wednesday at the Harare International Conference Center (HICC), was expected to attract more than 5,000 delegates and 300 invited guests. However, it was called off in the last minute due to what party officials described as a scheduling conflict in the president's calendar. The postponement was confirmed by the ZANU-PF director for retainees, former MDC legislator Blessing Chebondo, who himself defected to ZANU-PF in 2021. In quotes, the presidential interface meeting with the retainees has been postponed to a later date, depending on the presidency calendar. It was supposed to be on Wednesday, November 12th, but the president has another important engagement, said Chebondo. He added that preparations for the event were complete. We expected to receive 5,000 focal persons whom you call retainees. These are representatives from various sectors, the regions. We can't bring all 250,000 plus retainees to one place. We also expected 300 invited guests at the meeting. Everything is already in place for the event, and we hope to meet the president soon, once his schedule allows, he said. The retainees group is made up of former opposition members, mostly from Movement for Democratic Change and its splinter formations. We have over the years deflected to ZANU-PF, citing disillusionment with opposition politics. Among the most prominent figures to have crossed the floor are Obed Gutu, Tracy Mutiniri, James Shiriradi, Blessing Chibondo. Domashoko anobuda kwa panguva ino. Mbori dzamafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pekukanzurwa kwaita this event? Zviri strategic here kana kuti aiwa zvogona zvimuri zvema chokwadi kuti mutungamiri wenyika maschedules ake ari very tight? Pena kuma section medu dzamafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.